Hey folks, what's up? Welcome to this new video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to get an actual free virtual credit card for your online transaction. Could it be purchases, free trials, or whatever thing you want to do with it? You have virtual credit card, just going to serve any of your purposes. So without any further ado, we start right after the intro. Right, so back then it was very easy to get a virtual credit card for free. So platforms like Justice app that used to offer free virtual credit cards for free trials no longer offers these services, and same goes for People, which was also one of the popular places to get an official free virtual credit card that you could use for your online transactions, because the card that you get from this app can actually be loaded for online transactions. But now, due to the banking regulations in most countries, these platforms no longer offer virtual credit cards for free. So they have terminated this service for offering free virtual credit card in order to comply with banking standards in most regions. So now the only and best way that you can use to get a free virtual credit card is through your banking app. So right, of course, you will need to have a bank account. So you need to own a bank account with any bank, as long as this bank has a digital platform. And if you are located in Africa, you can go in for banks like UBA or EcoBank. So EcoBank is one of the most popular banks in the world, or in Africa precisely, and they are known for offering bank accounts that can be used across many countries. And this bank account usually comes with debit cards, which from there you can extract a virtual card. So of course, to have a virtual card, a free virtual credit card from EcoBank, you will need to have an account with them, and once you've opened and verified your account with EcoBank, you'll be able to apply for a virtual card or to create a virtual card within the EcoBank mobile app. And if you're located out of Africa, let's say in the United States, the best option you have for creating a virtual credit card is using privacy.com. So privacy.com is known for offering virtual cards for customers, for those consumers looking for a secure and safe way to shop online. So they offer single or one use virtual cards that you can use for a single shopping. Let's say you want to shop at Amazon, you can come to privacy and create a single use card for that particular purchase. And then if you want to shop at another retailer or stay on Amazon for a different purchase or a different order, you can still create a single use card for that. So these single use cards are always best for free trials, because after the free trial ends, you won't be charged for the service. And this is how you get a virtual card within the US. Alright, so another option for getting a virtual card is through Wise. So formerly TransferWise, Wise is one of the best banking platforms, online banking platforms, that offer virtual accounts and also virtual cards for consumers looking for a secure way to shop online. So with the Wise account, you'll be able to create a virtual card that you can actually use for your online purchases. And this Wise is typically available for consumers in Europe. So if you're in Europe, so Wise is your best option. Last but not least is Eversend. Eversend is also one of the popular digital banking platforms out there, and they are also known for offering virtual accounts together with virtual debit cards to their consumers looking for a secure way to make purchases online. So if you're looking to get a virtual dollar card, especially in Nigeria, Eversend is the option to go with. And with Eversend, you will be required to pay a modest fee for your virtual card, for your virtual dollar card, but it is not as heavy as compared to purchasing from those top providers out there. Eversend is a very good solution for getting virtual cards, so you want to dive into them in order to get your virtual dollar card. Among all the options mentioned, getting a virtual card for free from your banking app is the best way to proceed. Right, if you already have an account with your bank, you can always apply for a virtual card if they offer the service. And most banks nowadays offer free virtual cards, especially if you already have an account with them. And a good example is EcoBank, as EcoBank offers free virtual cards for customers who already have an account with them. So guys, those are the best ways to get a free virtual credit card in this new generation. If you found this video actually helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, tap the notification bell to never miss any training content from us. So guys, I catch you on the next one.